Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Welcome back to online social science classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today we are going to discuss some questions in the sample question paper. Let us start our class. Dear children, let us discuss the 3-mark question. Culture had played an important role in the development of nationalism in Europe during 18th and 19th centuries. Support the statement with examples. Culture played an important role in creating the idea of nation. Art and poetry, stories and music helped to express and shape nationalist feeling. Emotions, intuitions and mystical feelings were not focused. Their effort was to share collective heritage, a common cultural past as the basis of nation. They criticized the glorification of reason and science. Then you can write German philosopher Johann Gottfried Herder. According to him, the true culture of Germany can be discovered among the common people. The true spirit of nation can be popularized through folk songs, folk dance and folk poetry. Then you can write the role of vernacular language and Karol Karpinski. The emphasis on vernacular language was to spread the idea of nationalism to a large audience, those who were illiterate. Okay. Then you can write the role of Karol Karpinski. Karol Karpinski was a Polish romanticist. He spread the idea of nationalism through opera and music. He used dance forms like Polonaise and Mazurka to spread the idea of nation. Okay, so for 3-mark question, dear children, you can write 3 important points with the explanation. Okay. Next one, write a short note on one-party system. Dear children, we studied about one-party system, two-party system and multi-party system. Here question came one-party system. In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government is called one-party system. We cannot consider one-party system as a good option because this is not a democratic option. Any democratic system must follow at least 2 parties to compete in elections and provide a fair chance for the competing parties to come to power. Example, Communist Party of China. Next one, source-based question. Okay, 4-mark question. Dear children, read the text or a passage given in the question paper carefully and attend the question. Okay. Here, this passage is connected to the Treaty of Vienna. Okay, the Treaty of Vienna. You have to read the passage carefully. Okay. Which of the following statements correctly describe about the European conservative ideology? Options: preservation of beliefs introduced by the Napoleon, preservation of 2 sects of Christianity, preservation of socialist ideology in economic sphere, preservation of traditional beliefs in state and society. Which one is correct here? Option D, preservation of traditional beliefs in the state and society. Okay. Second one, identify the purpose to convene the Vienna Congress in 1815 from the following option. Option A, to declare competition on German unification. Option B, to restore conservative regime in Europe. Option C, to declare war against France. Option D, to start the process of Italian unification. So which one is correct here? Option B, to restore conservative regime in Europe. Next one, what did conservatives focus on at the Congress of Vienna? Select the appropriate option. First option, to re-establish peace and stability in Europe, to establish socialism in Europe, to introduce democracy in France, to set up a new parliament in Austria. Tell me which one is correct answer. Option A, to re-establish peace and stability in Europe. So correct answer, to re-establish peace and stability in Europe. Next one, how did the Congress of Vienna ensure peace in Europe? Select the appropriate option. Okay, question, how did the Congress of Vienna ensure peace in Europe? Option A, with the restoration of Bourbon dynasty? Option B. Austria was not given the control of northern Italy. Option C. Laying out a balance of power between all the great powers in Europe. Option D. By giving power to the German Confederation. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Option C. Laying out a balance of power between all the great powers in Europe. Okay, laying out a balance of power between all the great powers in the Europe. Next one, dear children, this source is related to the chapter Outcomes of Democracy. Okay, so read the text or passage given in the question paper carefully. Okay, answer the following MCQs by choosing the most appropriate option. People's right to choose their own rulers is called as the dash. Option, right to initiate, right to plebiscite, right to vote, right to referendum. Correct answer, right to vote. Okay. Which of the following options helps in promoting transparency in the governance? Okay, transparency. Options, right to education, right to information, right against exploitation, right to speech and expression. Which one is the correct answer? Right to information. Okay. Next question. Dash makes the government legitimate. Credibility of politicians, people's movements, free and fair elections, holding powers. Correct option? Correct answer? Free and fair elections. Okay, free and fair elections. Next one. Decisions in a democracy are more acceptable to the people because they are options, taken swiftly and implemented quickly, taken by giving privileges to the people, taken through elites' votes, taken after the following due processes. Which one is the correct answer? Option D, taken after following due processes. Okay. Next one, 5-mark question. Okay. How did French territory undergo changes due to the Treaty of Vienna in 1815? Okay, Treaty of Vienna in 1815. Very important question. Representatives of the European powers, that is Austria, Britain, Russia and Prussia, met at Vienna in 1815 after having defeated Napoleon. The Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich was the head of the Congress. Here, the Treaty of Vienna of 1815 was drawn up to undo the changes after the Napoleonic Wars. Thus, the Bourbon dynasty deposed during the French Revolution was put back in power even as France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon. To prevent any future expansion of France, many states were set up on the France boundaries. So the Kingdom of Netherlands, including Belgium, came up in the north, okay, while Genoa came together with Piedmont in the south. Prussia received some important new territories on its western frontiers. Austria gained control on northern Italy. The 39 states in the German Confederation as set up by the Napoleon underwent no changes. In the east, Russia received a part of Poland and Prussia received a part of Saxony. The objective was to restore the monarchies overthrown by the Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. Okay, this was the Treaty of Vienna. Next question, what makes India Federation? The Constitution declared India as a union of states. Tell me, what are the threefold distribution of legislative powers between union government, state government? It includes 3 lists, union list, state list and concurrent list. Okay, that point you have to write. Then, source of revenue for each level of government are clearly specified to ensure its financial autonomy. Okay, this sharing of power is the basic to the structure of the Constitution. And it cannot be changed by the parliament. It has to be ratified by the at least half of the state legislators. Okay. Next point, in a federation, judiciary solves the disputes between the different levels of government. In any such case of a dispute, the High Courts and Supreme Court make a decision. Okay. So for 5-mark question, you can add one more point. Okay, you can write the unilist, state list, concurrent list. On that list name also you have to, which are the subjects included in that list, that also you have to mention. Okay. Last 5-mark question. In which way does the language policy in India help our country avoid the situation that Sri Lanka is in today? Okay. Our constitution did not give the status of national language to any one language. Although Hindi was identified as official language, there were many safeguards to protect other language. How many languages are recognized as scheduled language? 22 languages. Okay. According to the constitution, the use of English for the official purpose was to stop in 1965. However, many non-Hindi speaking states demanded that the use of English should continue. Example, Tamil Nadu. Okay. The central government decided to continue the use of English along with Hindi for official purposes. Okay. Hindi is not imposed on states where people speak a different language. The flexibility shown by Indian political leaders helped our country avoid the kind of situation that Sri Lanka finds itself in. In Sri Lanka, the major social groups are Sinhala speakers 74% and the Tamil speakers 18%. Okay. In 1956, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the only official language, thus disregarding the Tamil. Due to this and other reason, the relations between the Sinhala and the Tamil communities got strained over time. Last one, map skilled based questions. Okay, 5 marks for map work, 2 from history and 3 from geography. Okay, 2 places A and B have been marked on the given outline map of India. Identify them and write their correct names on the lines drawn near them. A. The place where Indian National Congress session was held in December 1920. The place where Gandhiji organized Satyagraha with the cotton mill workers. Okay. So, which one is the answer? A. The place where Indian National Congress session was held in December 1920. Answer, Nagpur. B. The place where Gandhiji organized Satyagraha with the cotton mill workers. Answer, Ahmedabad. Okay. Dear children, I would like to wind up this session. I hope you studied these questions. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.